Rosie Posey. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Hi. Hi. How was your day? Did you have a good day? Was it a good day? Okay, come on. Hello. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love you. I missed you. Did you miss me? You did. Oh, you poor sweet thing. Well, we're back together now. Everything's gonna be all right. What are you watching? Turtles? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, you just burped. Oh my god. Why do you burp when you're excited? I do love you. Burps and all. Okay. Okay. Oh.